How to invite friends to your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to invite friends. It's so easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo. Once you are here, you're gonna find your contacts, your chats, all your conversations. Now at the bottom, at the last option, you're gonna find invite friends. Now you can invite your friends from WhatsApp or from Facebook feed or invite via SMS or more. For example, let's click on more and you can invite them from Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you want. Once you are done, just select the friends you want to send them the invitation, and this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.